Every flight is different. Airfield conditions and pilot perspective are always changing. One of those conditions, if you are not aware and well prepared, can lead to runway incursions or worse, an accident. Complex airfield geometry. Short taxi distances from a ramp or apron area to a runway. When a parallel taxiway is located between the ramp and runway, pilots can miss their turn onto the taxiway and instead cross it and incorrectly enter the runway. Due to the proximity of the runway to the ramp or apron area, in some cases, pilot distraction has been the cause of such issues. With a short taxi distance to the runway, an incursion may occur much sooner, and pilots may very quickly find themselves on a runway which they did not intend to enter. No matter how far you are from the ramp or your destination on the field, it is important to keep a constant visual scan. Keep eyes outside the cockpit at all times while taxiing, as opposed to doing checklists or other potentially distracting activities. This will help mitigate this sort of situation.